know, I'm sorry I chose penis over Live 8. Oh, I'm sorry for the profanity. Let me correct it. I'd rather call it pang-uri. Dahil ang pang-uri ay isang uri ng ari na di nakapandidiri kung sa bagay mas masarap siya kesa sa daliri. No, but really, honestly, I wouldn't probably be able to do what they're doing, like yung mga ginawa ni R.S. Francisco or yung outfit ni Tuesday Vargas for the matter. Kasi kung ganun kaikli papasot niyo sa akin, lalabas si George Bush. I don't believe in Brazilian waxes. I would like the men to rummage through the jungle. Diba? Asan? Nandiyan lang yan. Hanapin mo lang. Basta makahanap yan. Anyway, no, really, anong tawag ito? Baka sabihin niyo, bastos naman niya. Well, actually, siguro ang kamulata ko ng kabastusan dito rin sa UP. Because I graduated from Poveda, a virgin. O, diba? Hindi ko pang alam ang ibig sabihin ng tamod or whatever. Talaga, honestly, promise to God. And then pumasok ako ng UP. And then my teacher in Spanish, Professor Soresca, I remember her because may na-late. Sabi, ba't ka na-late? Tapos sabi, sorry ma'am, galing pa ako Las Piñas. Sabi ng lalaki, sabi, guys, never marry a man from Las Piñas because they have bamboo organs. So ganon, mga ganon. Meron pang isang teacher sa UP sabi, Chinatown is not China, just like Ateneo de Manila University.